Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Welcome to Christomatic Institute of Knowledge Acquisition and Learning. The classes for CSS examinations with Professor Usman Ghani. Dear students, today we are going to study grammar, and in that we are studying Wren and Martin's High School English Grammar, and we are going to have a look on active and passive voice. जो verbs हैं या जो sentences हैं ये एक्टिव हो तो व्हाट डज इट मीन एंड पैसिव हो तो व्हाट डज इट मीन बेसिकली व्हेन वी से एक्टिव what it actually stands for, and when we say passive what does it mean. So we are going to study with from 195 point onward. I'd like you, Rabel, to read from now onward.
Compare Rama helps Harry and second one Harry is helped by Rama. It will be seen that these two sentences express the same meaning, but in sentence 1 the form of verb shows that the person denoted by subject does something. Rama, the person denoted by subject, does something. The verb helps is said to be in active voice. In sentence 2 the form of the verb shows that something is done to the person denoted by the subject. Something is done to Harry, the person denoted by the subject. The verb helped is said to be in passive voice.
Okay, well done. Now compare first of all. Rama helps Harry. Rama is a subject, helps is a verb, Harry is an object. ठीक है, Rama भी proper noun है, Harry भी proper noun है. One of them is subject being used in the first. दरमियान में हमारे पास verb है और एंड पे हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट है. अब यहाँ पे जो डूअर है, द वन हु डज समथिंग, द वन हु इज परफॉर्मिंग समथिंग, वो रामा है. सब्जेक्ट डूअर है, सब्जेक्ट जो है वो डूअर है, वो एक्टिव है. सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग समथिंग और परफॉर्मिंग समथिंग. इन द सेकंड सेंटेंस हैरी इज हेल्प्ड बाय रामा. हैरी इज अ सब्जेक्ट ओवर हियर, is helped by Rama. Now the Harry is not doer. Harry is not a doer. Rather, Harry is taking something. Something is being done to Harry. Something is being done to Harry, and that thing is done by Rama to Harry. By Rama to Harry. अब जो पहली चीज आ रही है उसके साथ कुछ हुआ है, and the doer is Rama over here, and Harry is basically the person upon which that thing is done. It will be seen that these two sentences express the same meaning, but in sentence 1 the form of verb shows that a person denoted by the subject does something. The person denoted by the subject, और वो क्या है? Rama does something. Rama, the person denoted by the subject, यानी subject में जो person है वो Rama है, does something. The verb helps is said to be in the active voice. यहाँ पे helps जो है वो active voice है because it is being done by the doer. On the other hand, the verb helps is said to be in the active voice. On the other hand, in sentence 2 the form of the verb shows that something is done to the person denoted by the subject. Something is done to the person denoted by the subject. अब जो subject है उसके साथ कुछ किया जा रहा है. Something is happening to that. Something is being done to that. Something is done to Harry. Harry जो है उस पर action perform हो रहा है. The person denoted by the subject. So the verb helped is said to be in the passive voice. Definition अगर हम देखें तो a verb is in the active voice when its form shows, as in sentence 1, the person or thing denoted by the subject does something, or in other words it is the doer of action. The doer of action. अगर doer of action जो है, doer of action जो है वो हो, सब्जेक्ट हो, तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? ये एक्टिव वॉइस में है. द एक्टिव वॉइस इज सो कॉल्ड बिकॉज द पर्सन डिनोटेड बाय द सब्जेक्ट acts. Next देखें definition. A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows, as in the sentence 2, that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. अब जो subject है उसके साथ अगर कुछ किया जा रहा हो तो that will be passive voice. Passive voice is so called because the person or thing denoted by the subject is not an active but passive. That is, suffers or receives some action. Suffers or receives. For example, somebody kills someone, or somebody helps someone, or somebody gives something to someone. So the act of killing, act of giving, act of helping, that is something being done by the subject. तो इसको हम एक्टिव कहेंगे। अगर ये कहूँ कि समवन इज हेल्प्ड बाय, इज गिवन बाय, इज डन समथिंग बाय, तो अब जो सब्जेक्ट है वो पैसिव में हो जाएगा। तो उस वर्ब को हम पैसिव कहेंगे जिसमें सब्जेक्ट के साथ कुछ हो रहा है, और उस वर्ब को हम एक्टिव कहेंगे जिसमें सब्जेक्ट जो है वो डूअर है। व्हाट इज वॉइस? बेसिकली वॉइस इज दैट फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब व्हिच शोज वेदर व्हाट इज डिनोटेड बाय द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग और हैज समथिंग डन टू इट। वॉइस क्या है? इज द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब, ये वो फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है विच शोज, जो ये जाहिर करती है, वेदर व्हाट इज डिनोटेड बाय द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग और हैज समथिंग डन टू इट। यानी इस यहाँ से वॉइस से मुराद होगा कि जो एक्ट है, जो परफॉर्मेंस है, या जो कुछ हो रहा है, जो अमल है, वो सब्जेक्ट कर रहा है या सब्जेक्ट के साथ किया जा रहा है। मतलब इज डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट और डज समथिंग, यानी सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग और हैज समथिंग डन टू इट, या सब्जेक्ट के साथ कुछ हुआ है। Note the change from active voice